Control V. There we go. And that is how I make my cool little thumbnails. All right, what is this? Al Fire Alpaca Hub. Dark UI. It's like $50 on Steam, by the way. But if you download it from the regular website, it's free. Oh, there it is. Open. The forest. Can I zoom in using scroll? I want a better license. Oh, Creative Commons. Yeah, see the problem with all Creative Commons is you don't really get a lot of options. So that is not going to be the back arrow in this scenario. The Forest PC. You know what? Maybe I'll just take that one. Right click, right click. Uh, what? Right. There. Go back. Go back. Go back. Exit. That. Right click. Right click. Right click. Right click. Save image as. Yeah. Scroll down. Uh, where is it? Didn't I just? Let's try that again. Right click. Save image as. Uh, Forest. It's a JPEG, so it should cancel file open. What the heck? What the heck? Can I do it this way? Utilities, videos, froze. Oh, what? I'm editing a video? Are you frozen? You still frozen? Hello? Failed to open. Oi, 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 oi. How about this one? Oi, oi, oi. Okay, how about let's try right click, save image. And you know what? We're just gonna use the one we have because that does not want to work. I'll use that, I guess. Save image as. Where is it? There. Gotcha. Sweet. All right, and now check this out. File. Open. Where are they? I'm hunting them down. Hunting them. Where? What? These faces right here. I'm looking for these faces. I thought I put them in here. That, 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 and that. All right. Get rid of you. Control V. There we go. And that is how I make my cool little thumbnails. I'm just gonna line them up on the bottom here. Can I make this smaller? Clean up a little bit. I can't really see where the circle starts. So going based on the neckline here. Control C, Control V. This one, that's bigger than that one. Canvas size, 234, 203. If I make that one the same, 203. Yeah, that looks better, 203. So now we are onto this one. Control C, 234. Control C, Control V. How was your nap, Benji boy? Benji bus? Yeah. Eventually it will become something else, but in the meantime, I need something to dewhelm, dewhelm my brain. I've been keeping track of everything that I'm saying and everyone else is saying. The 12-ish episodic series. Oh shoot, I'm still recording.